Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X6, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, now let's hold our power button and select power off. Now we can do that also if you have a screen lock that you may not know. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Let go of the power button once you see the POCO logo, and then also volume up once you see the actual recovery mode. Here, using volume buttons, either up or down, you want to navigate, and with that in mind, select wipe data, confirm it with the power button, select wipe all data, and then confirm. And we're gonna start spamming power button to go back, reboot, and reboot to system. And this will now initiate a reboot and also continue the reset of the device in the background, which means it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. Now once the process is finished, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.